No nonsense. Move manure for fertilizer. Pack 50 kilos at a time. It can fly autonomously. Convenient, efficient, and fast. Start fertilizing. AGR focused on plant protection drones for many years. Plant protection drones are now very smart. Today's plant protection drones are used for both purposes. Both fertilizer and pesticide spraying are fine. Add the fertilizer and put the lid on. Agricultural drone takes off. There are a lot of telephone poles. Manual operation is safer. Get into the field and start spreading fertilizer. The plant protection drone fertilizes very quickly. And it's very easy to use even in your 60s and 70s. Agricultural drones can be used in many places where tractors can go. AGR, excellent agricultural drone manufacturer.